everyone to Skincare and Beauty with PerkiPerkins. So I didn't know I was gonna film today. I had no makeup on. I was in the middle of doing lesson plans with my kids when there was a knock at the door. Go to check the door, and FedEx dropped me this big old surprise, you guys. I was shook. I did receive my tracking for this. I seriously had just checked yesterday morning and there was still no update from FedEx, so I didn't pay attention to it because I was busy. So as it says in my title, today we are doing my FABFITFUN box fall unboxing. Woo! So if you're not aware, FABFITFUN is a quarterly subscription which we get 8 to 9 full-size items. I believe it's 8 to 9, and with the minimum value of $250 per box. And the nice thing is, if you're a select member, which I am, that means you prepay for the year, you get to choose 4 to 5 items. It just depends on your bracket. I have no clue which one is which. But the other thing about being a select member, again, you pay for the year, you get your boxes first. Like, I got my box today, while most other people that pay quarterly, that's just a seasonal membership, they literally just got to do their choices this past weekend. I post on my Instagram and on my community tab when, you know, there's updates or special choice days and stuff like that on my community tabs and Instagram stories. So I had posted all that information on there. And again, this is really fast. FABFITFUN had even sent off an email stating that due to COVID, that they're taking up to a month to ship out boxes, plus an extra 7 to 10 days, I guess, to allow for this shipping carriers. So yeah, so I'm really excited. Again, if you pay for the year, you get a $20 off discount right off the top. If you don't want to do that and you just want to do it quarterly, you can, like, again, I have a $10 referral code, which means I don't get any commission whatsoever, but you do get $10 off your one quarterly box. I would also like to let you guys know that I do have a few of the free starter boxes where you get 3 to 4 full-size items, and typically it would be a minimum value of $80, but on average I've seen the boxes be really good. Again, it's just kind of like to give you a little taste of what you could possibly get in your box. All you have to do is cover shipping. Shipping for the United States is $5, and for my Canadian friends, because I did find out, it's $7. So if you have not used an email address, or you're not like an active member, and you would like a free starter box, again, just cover shipping. Leave me a comment down below with your email address, and I will send that over to you. I think I have like 15 left. Like, they gave me so many of these starter boxes. I'm like, what do I do with all of them? I posted it in my community tab and I only had 1 or 2 people respond to me. So, but anyways, you guys, let's get to it and let's begin this unboxing. But do not forget, before we start, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and if you do not mind, please hit that notification bell. This way you're notified anytime I do an upload. Again, I'm trying to adjust my schedule so it's a little bit more consistent. This was just unexpected, and if you guys do end up liking my video or liking me, I would appreciate if you guys would give me a big old thumbs up. But anyways, let's get to it and let's begin my fall FABFITFUN box unboxing, you guys. So as you can see, it's not even cut, like, for real. I literally just slapped on some makeup as fast as I could, which cream products are what gets it done for me. And I just set my little corner up and I decided to start filming. This way I can speed it up basically. And luckily my kids are on their lunch break, so it worked out. In case you're wondering, FABFITFUN did change the boxes. They actually want to do more recycle, repurpose kind of deal. So this is kind of like a new look for FABFITFUN, because before there were humongous boxes, been very colorful and not always recyclable. So they always give you like arts and crafts ideas to do. So I do like this new box. And here's the little sneak peek, nicely packaged and recyclable paper basically. Let me put it down because it's pretty heavy. In every box you will always receive your FABFITFUN box magazine. In this magazine it gives us like a lot of tips and tricks in which creators they actually collaborated with, like to design the box, to curate the boxes, stories about the brand. So that's really neat. I always appreciate that actually. I like this new recyclable paper. It's actually in my opinion, this is probably much easier to get through, and again, it's not that waxy paper, so much easier. So what's also nice in the booklet, it actually gives us what all the choices would have been for each bracket, which is really neat. That's how I ended up finding out that for my summer box I actually was shorted one item, and then it took them like a month for replacements. But again, it's due to COVID, they were behind, and they had just started shipping the regular quarterly boxes, but I was perfectly patient. I mean, it was just like a robe thingy, so no big deal. Got some little cards here, a $45 discount for wine. This is actually a code if anyone would like the FABFITFUN box for a $15 off discount. They gave me a one-time use code. So if the first person that would like to have this $15 off code, drop your email and I'll send this to you. And then this is a 10 free meal plan for HelloFresh. I was actually just talking to my husband about HelloFresh, so I might actually use it this time because 10 free meals is pretty good. I think it turns out to be a better deal than the $80 or $90 off. So I'm gonna grab the first item off the top. Ooh, let me find this guy. Let me take this out of the bag. So right here, it looks really bougie. So this is from Beauty Paper Golden Superfood Shower Gel. This retails for $30 for a shower gel. Like, man, this better be gold. Let me open it up and see what it smells like. Curious. It smells really nice and sweet, kind of like honey. So that's good. It does have a 12-month shelf life and it's made in Greece. Has pumpkin, argan, apricot, orange, and aloe vera. So I'll let you guys know how this one goes, because body, products always go run fast in my household. So this was one of my choices, you guys. It's from section 2B, the Glossmetic hair removal device, which retails for $59. And what's funny, I literally just like shaved my face today. Like, that's why my foundation is so much smoother and stuff, because if you shave all that hair and dead skin, just be careful. It will leave your skin and your foundation looking so much nicer. Look. So this is that little shaver tool. So I'm excited to get this. Again, I did choose this because I rather get something that hopefully is safer than a razor. So this comes in a bag. Oh, it's a little necklace. Now I'm remembering this was my choice. This is in section 3B, and this is the Jenny Bird Liana pendant, which retails for $115. It's supposed to be a staple piece. I don't know how this is worth $115. Like, not to be mean, but it's cute. So I'll definitely use it. I've been looking for stuff that's more dainty and smaller, so I'll give it a go. Next, I also chose these little hair pieces, so I actually could use this right now because I'm sweating like a pig because it's so hot in my place. This is 5D. This is the 8 Other Reason Runway Clip Trio. This says it's $32, like $32. Again, at least I didn't pay for it, so it's all good, but that's overly priced. I take this cute little pink one. This is section 6B. The Laundress New York Crease Release. Easily remove moderate wrinkles from clothing. Ooh, this is like a fabric softener to de-wrinkle stuff, so that's cool because sometimes I get lazy and I choose not to fold right after drying, so that's awesome. And this retails for $16, so I'm not knocking this. Actually, I was gonna buy some actually when I went to the grocery store, and $16 is pretty affordable, so if I do end up liking it, not bad. So this guy right here is from Stone Candles Room Spray in Pumpkin Spice. Ew, I hate pumpkin spice, you guys. So, ew. I'm not gonna even open it. Like, it might have been like, the other one probably would have been a better scent for me. It's a more candle scent. It was like a Black Noir. I am not spraying pumpkin spice in my house. I am not one of those people that likes pumpkin spice lattes, you guys. So, nope. So I'm gonna save this for a giveaway. Maybe someone would like it. This retails for $36. So for me, the box is doing pretty good. I mean, just so far, just one of the sprays that I didn't. It just happens to be a fragrance I do not like. Like, I don't like cinnamon scents either. Like, they make me gag, and pumpkin spice is like in that same realm for some reason to me. Oh, this guy right here. This was definitely one of my choice items actually, and I wasn't sure if I was going to get it because a lot of stuff went fast. So I was there super early waiting with my computer and my phone, and still the system was glitching so bad on choice day. It took 30 minutes to get through, and I even screen recorded the whole process. But this is a 4A Mason top glass water bottle with a neosporin in turquoise, which I like it. This retails for $35 and it's a 20 ounce. I personally noticed that for myself, I tend to drink more water and stuff and coffee, iced coffee, when it tends to be in one of these because it's easier for me to go and I'm not constantly like leaving my cup somewhere. For my last item, you guys, let me open her up. So just a quick note about myself. I'm a backpack lady. I prefer backpacks over a purse any day of the week. And I saw this as one of the the teasers, and I knew I needed to pick this up, you guys. Look at this adorable bag. It's a classic bag. It's a classic black bag, and honestly right now I have like a couple others in red and brown, but I didn't have a black one. The black one I had actually broke, and you can see down here it's like a nice size, so it's good for, you know, when out in the store. Has these little pockets for your phone. It has like another zipper in here, so I'm very excited. It's like this vinyl kind of material, or whatever this is, this type of material with like a faux leather. Let me read what it says. Boitiker, I'll put the word up here. New York Trigger backpack. This multifunctional backpack holds all the essentials in style. Shipping restrictions may apply. Oh, and this retails for $100. It doesn't say nothing about like vegan or anything like that, so I'm assuming maybe it's real leather. Who knows? But look at this. Like, this is super cute. Like, look at that writing. And again, the quality looks really good. There's like this weird little print there, but I got to take it off. Yeah, so I'm really excited to get this. This is definitely something that most of the items I receive will definitely be items I will use often. So that's really cool. But let me double check and make sure I got everything. So I got my bag. I got a tumbler. I got the crease spray. I got the bobby pins. I got my little necklace. I got this nasty spray. Again, to those who like pumpkin spice, I do apologize. Not for me. Shaver and body wash. So we got our 8 items this time. Now I did not total anything up, of course, because again, I just received the box. So I'm gonna post it right there for you guys so you know what my total is. But definitely, I mean, think about it. My backpack alone's over $100. The shaver's $60 basically. The tumbler's $30+. So with the items that were my choice that I really do like, I definitely feel like I got my money's worth. The only thing I'm like, this is nowhere near $100 and whatever dollars. Like, it looks very cheap. Like, it looks like costume jewelry, you guys. But other than that, because I pay for the year, I basically average out to $45 every quarter. Show you guys really quickly the 3 add-ons I did do this time around. The Volition, here we go. I picked up the Volition Screen Time Hydro Mist, and I'm really excited to test this out. I have plenty of friends that have used this and they rave about it. I also picked up, it's been a very long time, I had actually gotten a sample of this bad boy right here. This is what they're kind of known for. It's their strawberry serum. So I also picked this up. I think it was like $12, $15, and this is like $9. So they were very, very affordable when this is normally like $50, $60. So I'm excited to have a full size. Like, again, I had a little sample that I had gotten, I think like at Sephora a year ago, and I had been keeping an eye out for such a long time. But it's just so expensive and so much skincare in either PR or my subscriptions. I just didn't feel it was necessary to spend the money on. And ironically, after I did do the order, they actually reached out to me and they sent me some products. So that's very cool, but it wasn't these, it was something else, which if you guys check out my Instagram, you guys would see the post because I even did a cute little tutorial. And lastly, because I'm trying to tan a little bit because my bottom half is, well, anything from my neck down is light. I picked up this Mint Mind Tan. So it comes with your tanner plus your glove. So yeah, and I want to say these 3 items like total was like $30 something. So it's very, very affordable. So yeah, you guys, so now you guys got to see what my fall FabFitFun box was, along with my 3 add-ons, which I'm so excited to start using. So sound off below and let me know what you guys think about my box. Do you like my box? Do you like my choices? What was your favorite item? And also let me know what were your choices. I would like to know. And definitely let me know if you're going to do an unboxing video and I will check it out for sure. I love FabFitFun. It's a nice variety and you get to customize more stuff. So it's very cool. But anyways, thank you all so very much. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. Again, before we head out, I would appreciate if you guys would give me a big old thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thank you and goodbye.